T-Mobile and Sprint is going to start selling your information to third-party advertisers. And I'm going to show you how to stop them. So I just received this email from T-Mobile tonight. Let's take a quick look at it and see what it actually says. It says starting on April 26, T-Mobile and third parties may provide more relevant advertising by using broadband and other usage information unless you opt out. Translation: T-Mobile is going to sell your information to third parties. What information are they going to be selling? Well, that would include things like apps on your device, broadband information, think search and websites that you visit, as well as if you have an Android device, that would be network and device diagnostic information. But you have a chance to opt out and say you don't want any of that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're a T-Mobile or Sprint or Metro customer, there's separate logins, so I'll put all the links in the description below. So check them out depending on which customer you are. After logging in, it's going to drop you on an analytics and reporting page, and there's going to be a link for every number in your account, and you're going to have to make this setting change for each one of those. So by selecting one of the numbers, there's two different settings that you can turn off. One of them is use my data for analytics and reporting, and the second one is use my data to make ads more relevant to me. There are links there for descriptions on what those two things are, but especially the second one, which is for the advertising, go ahead and turn that setting off, and that will stop them from selling your information to third parties. And it's not going to stop the number of ads that you get, but it's going to stop tracking you from website to website and the things that are on your device and the information that you use. For more data protection, check out one of these videos.